How to treat flea bites on humans and pets. Fleas are tiny, irritating insects that mostly attack pets. But, if you have pets or live in an area where fleas are common, chances are high that you may also suffer from flea bites. Flea bites are itchy as well as painful. The bites may appear as small, red bumps, typically in groups of 3 or 4 or in a straight line. They are most often seen around the ankles or legs. However, bites can also be noticed around the waist, armpits or in the folds of the elbows and knees. Excessive scratching can damage the skin and lead to a secondary bacterial infection. To treat and prevent flea bites, your first line of defense should be controlling the infestation. At the same time, there are many natural methods that you can use to quickly treat flea bites on yourself as well as your pets. Here are the top 10 ways to treat flea bites on humans and pets. 1. Cold compresses. Applying a cold compress can help stop itching and pain due to flea bites. This remedy works for humans as well as pets. The cold temperature has a numbing effect on the nerve endings that helps soothe the itching sensation. It also reduces swelling. Clean the site of the bite and the area around it with warm, soapy water. Wrap a few ice cubes in a thin washcloth. Put the ice pack on the affected area for no more than 2 to 3 minutes. Take a break, then reapply the pack. Continue doing this for 10 to 15 minutes, a few times a day. Note: do not apply ice directly on the skin, as it can lead to ice burns. 2. Baking soda. Another great remedy for flea bites on humans and pets is baking soda. Being a natural acid neutralizer, it provides instant relief from itching. It also reduces swelling and inflammation as well as the risk of infection. Simply mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with a little water and apply the thin paste on the flea bite. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse it off with cool water. Use this remedy 1 or 2 times a day only. Alternatively, add 1 cup of baking soda to a bathtub filled with cool water. Stir it well. Soak yourself in this soothing water for 10 minutes, then pat yourself dry with a soft towel. Do this once daily. Both cats and dogs can be treated with a paste made from 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a little water to prevent itching and scratching. Use a cotton ball to apply this mixture on the affected area. Leave it on for 5 minutes, then rinse it off with cool water. In case your pet is itching all over, give your pet a bath with half to 1 cup of baking soda mixed in its bath water. Note: do not use baking soda on broken skin or open wounds. 3. Apple cider vinegar. Raw and unfiltered apple cider vinegar is another excellent home remedy to treat flea bites. This remedy works well for humans as well as pets. It can help reduce inflammation and soothe itching on the affected area. Its acetic acid content also prevents infections. Dip a cotton ball in raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar and place it on the affected area. Let it sit for 5 minutes, then remove the cotton ball. Try this effective remedy a few times a day until you get relief. If it causes irritation, try diluting the apple cider vinegar with water before applying it. For pets, mix equal parts of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Spray the solution on the affected areas on your pet's body. Be careful to avoid spraying it in your pet's eyes, ears and nose. Repeat a few times daily. You can also spray the solution on flea-infested surfaces. 4. Aloe vera. Succulent aloe vera gel is soothing for the skin, for humans as well as pets. Its active compounds contain antiseptic as well as anti-inflammatory properties that help ease itching and swelling due to flea bites. It also accelerates the healing process. Cut open a small part of an aloe vera leaf and extract the gel. Rub the gel on your skin in areas where fleas have bitten your pet. Leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Use this remedy 2 or 3 times daily. Store the remaining gel in the refrigerator. 5. Indian lilac. Whether you want to control a flea infestation or treat flea bite symptoms, Indian lilac, also known as Neem or Margisa, is very effective. Neem leaves and oil contain anti-irritant, antiseptic and anti-inflammatory qualities, and is widely used on humans and dogs by those who prefer to treat flea bites in a natural way. Neem remedies are not suitable for cats. Simmer a handful of neem leaves in water for 15 to 20 minutes. Strain the solution and allow it to cool. Soak a cotton ball in the solution and place it on the flea-bitten area for 10 to 15 minutes. Do this a couple of times daily for a few days. You can also apply a neem-based cream or lotion on the affected area a few times daily. For your dog, dilute neem oil with almond oil in a ratio of 1:10. Rub it on the affected areas of your dog a few times daily. To control a flea infestation, mix 12 drops of therapeutic-grade neem oil in a 1-ounce spray bottle. Spray this solution on flea-infested areas. You can also spray the solution on your dog's fur and allow it to dry. 6. Witch hazel. Witch hazel is an effective astringent that you can use to treat flea bites. It helps calm itching as well as reduce inflammation and redness due to the tannins in it that have a mild astringent and anti-inflammatory effect that helps reduce the itching and swelling. Dogs and cats can also be treated with witch hazel. Soak a cotton ball in witch hazel and place it on the affected area for 10 minutes. Repeat as needed. For pets, store witch hazel in a spray bottle and quickly spray it on the inflamed skin when your dog or cat starts to scratch it. Repeat as needed.